Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert an audio, like for instance sound effects, an audio track or background music to video clips you create and edit on Adobe Express Video. So let us guide you through this. So you will need to access your video project first here in the top left on Adobe Express Video. Here in the video editor, guys, what you want to do is here on the timeline you will see these two tracks, the video track and the audio track. So what you want to do is click into this button here, Add Audio, and that is going to redirect you to this Add Media or Add Content and Media tab here. Switch from photos and videos to music if needed, or to sound effects. And I'm not going to do this due to copyright reasons, but there are different ways how you can do this, guys. You can record a voiceover by clicking into this button, attach your microphone, speak into your microphone, and then position the voiceover on that track here. Adjust its length like you do with the same way you do with video scenes here, by moving that handle to the right to make the given audio clip, to trim it, for example, to make it shorter. You may upload an audio, like a voiceover pre-recorded or background music from your device in MP4 format located on your device by clicking into this button and position it on that track here again. Or you may go with audio tracks from the Adobe Express Video library here below. You may listen to the preview by clicking into that play button here. Now, I'm not going to do this, of course, due to copyright reasons, but it works the same way like inserting audio from your device or from recorded voiceovers. Position it on your audio track here, and then it will be added to your timeline. Make sure that you adjust the length of it so that it aligns with the length of your overall video clip here. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.